number 42. In page number 42, two problems are given in the textbook. That is the blue color question. So first question in that, if 1 mole of carbon atoms weighs 12 gram, what is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? So what is the question? 1 mole of carbon. Questions. It is in page number 42. Page number 42 questions. In that first question, what is the question? 1 mole of carbon atom weighs. If 1 mole of carbon atom, 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 grams. 12 grams. What is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? What is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? So what is given in the question solution? What is given in the question? 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 gram. That is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms given. 1 mole of carbon atoms. So we have studied what do you mean by 1 mole? 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. It may be atoms or it may be molecules or it may be particles. So 1 mole in the sense it may be anything. 1 mole of carbon atoms, which means which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is 1 mole of carbon atoms, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. Carbon atoms. So what is given? This 1 mole of carbon atoms, its weight is how much? 12 gram. In the sense, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms, its weight which is equal to 12 gram. Its weight is 12 gram. 1 mole of carbon atom weighs 12 gram. The meaning of 1 mole of carbon atom means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. It means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atom. Its weight is 12 gram. What we are going to find out? We are going to find out mass of 1 carbon atom. What is the mass of 1 carbon atom? In the sense 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms weighs 12 gram. 1 carbon atom, 1 carbon atom weighs how much gram? Cross multiplication. This much carbon atoms weighs 12 gram. What is the 1 atom of carbon weight? So cross multiply 12 into 1 divided by, which is equal to 12 into 1, that is 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this take to the numerator. Now this divide using 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 0.0, 2 1s are 1s, which is equal to 6 divided by 3.011. This when you take 10 to the power 23 to the numerator, it will be 10 to the power minus 23. Now, remove this decimal. How to remove the decimal? There will be decimal point after 3 places. So, you have to multiply by 1000, as well as for the numerator also you have to multiply by 1000. So, numerator you are getting 6000 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by, this will be 3011. Now you have to divide 6000 by 3011. We divide 6000 is divided by 3011, ones are 3011, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 1, 8, this is 9, 5 minus 3, 2, point 0. That is 29,890. Maybe 9s are 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 0, 9 threes are 27. 10 minus 9, 1, 18 minus 9, 9, this is 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 2791, again 0, 27,910, in the sense again 9s are, so this continues. So answer will be, if you divide, you will get 1.99 into, this is 10 to the power minus 23. What is this? This is the carbon atom weight. So it is in grams. This much gram. 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. In the question it is given the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom. We have studied 1 mole of any atoms, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That much atoms. So this much atoms weight is 12 gram. What is the mass of 1 atom of carbon? When you cross multiply and if you divide this, you will get the answer 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23. This much gram. Now second question in that, which has more number of atoms? 100 gram of sodium or 100 grams of iron. So what is given? We have to calculate which has more number of atoms. More number of atoms. So it is given 100 grams of sodium, 100 gram of sodium and 100 gram of iron. 100 gram of iron. Atomic mass of sodium is given. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 atomic mass unit and iron 56 atomic mass unit. So we have to calculate which has more number of atoms, which has more number of particles, which has more number of molecules. So there is a problem to calculate number of atoms or number of molecules or number of particles. What is that formula? Number of moles is equal to number of particles or atoms or molecules divided by Avogadro number. So first we will calculate number of moles. So how to calculate number of moles? First we take the first one. What is that? 100 gram of sodium. What is given? Solution given mass of sodium atom. Mass of sodium atom, which is equal to 100 gram. Next, molar mass. Molar mass of sodium atom. How much it is? This is 23 gram because it is molar mass. 23 gram. Now, number of moles. Number of moles. Formula given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass divided by molar mass. Given mass is 100. Molar mass is 23. 100 divided by 23. Divide this 100 by 23. 100 by 23. Or we can substitute the same value in the substitute in the next equation. We write as it is 100 by 23. This much moles. So now we have to find out, therefore, number of atoms. Number of atoms, formula, number of moles into Avogadro number. Avogadro number of moles into Avogadro number, which is equal to number of moles, that is 100 divided by 23 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now multiply 6.022 into 100. Multiply this by 100. You will get the answer 602,200. Decimal point after 3 places. So after 3 places, if you put the decimal point, you will get 602, 602.200. This 0.200 no value. So 602.2 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 23. Now remove this decimal place. You have to multiply by 10. Denominator also 10. You will get the answer 6022 divided by 230 into 10 to the power 23. Now we have to divide 6022 by 230. So I will divide using 2 table. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. 3011 divided by 115. Can we divide it by 3 table? No, it is not possible. So we divide directly. That is 3011 divided by 115. So you have to take 301. 115. 2s are 5 2s are 10. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 ones are 230. This is 311. 3s are 230. 3s are 3 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 3 ones are 3. 345. So count. 2s are 115. 2s are 5 2s are 10. 0 1 carry. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 ones are 2. 230 minus 1 minus 0 1. 10 minus 3 7. 2 minus 2 0. Bring this one here. 711. So 711 maybe 9s are 115 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 4 10 13. 3 1 carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 1 10. So count 1035. This is 700. So multiply this by 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 3 9. 6 ones are 6. 690. This is 711. So we can, that is 6 115 into 6. 690. 1 minus 0 1. 11 minus 9 2. 6 minus 6 0. 0.0. 210. 210 in the sense 115. 2s are 230. So 1s are. So you will get 26.1 and still it continues. So I will take it as, which is equal to 26.1 into 10 to the power 23. 26.1 into 10 to the power 23. What is this? This is number of atoms, this much atoms. That is 26.1 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Now we go to the second part of that question. What is that? 100 gram of iron. Given mass which is equal to given mass of iron which is equal to 100 gram. Molar mass of iron which is equal to 56 gram. Therefore number of moles number of moles is equal to, I am not writing again equation, given mass 100 divided by molar mass 56, let it be as it is, 100 divided by 56, this much moles. I have to calculate number of iron atoms or number of atoms of iron. Number of atoms of iron, formula is number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles into Avogadro number. Substitute, which is equal to number of moles 100 divided by 56, Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Number of atoms of iron, number of moles into Avogadro number. Number of moles, how much we got here? 100 divided by 56 into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now, if multiply 100 into 6.022, you will get the answer, which is equal to 602.2 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 56. So when you divide it by 56, divide using two table. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 0, 1s are 0.1. Now remove this decimal point. You have to multiply by 10 both for the numerator as well as for the denominator. You will get 3011 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 280. Now when divide using our method long division, 280, 3011, 3 places, 1s are 280, 1 minus 0 1, 10 minus 8 2, 21, bring this one down, 211, you can't divide, so put 0, point, here one more 0, 2110, in the sense you have to multiply by 8s are 8 0 0, 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22. So this is greater, multiply by 7 into 7. 7 into 0 0, 8 7s are 56, 5 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 0, 11 minus 6, 5, 10 minus 9, 1, 150, 1 more 0, 1500, 1500 in the sense, maybe 285 sir. 1400, so 5s are 1400, 0, 0, 1, this continues, this value continues, you will get the answer 10.75 something, so this is 5, approximately you can take it as 10.8 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Now compare both the values, which value you got greater value, 26.1 into 10 to the power 23, 10.8 into 10 to the power 23. So which is greater? This is greater. Therefore, what you have to write? Therefore, what is the question? Which has more number of atoms? So which has more number of atoms? 100 gram of sodium. 100 gram of sodium has more number of atoms. 100 gram of sodium has more number of atoms. So here two elements weight is given, 100 gram of sodium and 100 gram of iron. They asked to find out which has more number of atoms. We have the formula to calculate number of atoms, that is number of moles into Avogadro number. So first find out number of divided by molar mass. For the 100 gram of sodium, find out number of atoms of 100 gram of sodium. Then in the same way find number of moles of 100 gram of iron, and then find the number of atoms of iron. You will get first case answer 26.1 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, and second case you will get 10.8 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So which is greater value? This first one is greater. So you have to write the final answer. 100 gram of sodium has more number of atoms present. Next we will move to the exercise problem. That is the last two problems in the exercise. Remaining all problems we solved. So 10th problem, see last two problems. In the 10th one, calculate the number of molecules of sulfur present in 16 gram of sulfur. Calculate the number of molecules of S8 sulfur, that is S8, its molecular formula, present in 16 gram of sulfur. So what is given here? Mass of the sulfur is given. Solution, mass of sulfur or given mass which is equal to 16 gram, molar mass of S8. How to find molar mass of S8? 8 into atomic mass of sulfur. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. 8 into 32, 8 2 is 16, 1 carry, 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25, 256 gram. Now, it is given molar mass, in the sense molecular mass of S8 is 256 gram. We know that 1 mole of any, 1 mole of sulfur if you take, 1 mole of sulfur which is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms present in that. Sulfur atoms present in that. So, it is given molecular mass is 256 gram. In the sense, 1 mole, that is 256 gram, 256 gram of sulfur, that is S8, 256 gram of 256 gram of sulfur or S8, which has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms. What is they asked? Find the 16 gram of, calculate the molecules, this much molecules or atoms. Calculate how many molecules present in 16 gram of sulfur. 16 gram of sulfur. If you are worried this essay, you can write the sulfur. This is how much? Cross multiplication. So, it is given in the question, mass of the sulfur taken 16 gram. Using that, find out the molecular mass, find out the molar mass of the sulfur. So, molar mass of the sulfur you will get 256 gram. We know that 1 mole means this much atoms or molecules, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is, we have taken 256. This is the molecular mass of S8. So, sulfur S8 molecule, its molar mass is 256 gram. In the sense, 256 gram of sulfur contains this much molecules. This much molecules are present in 256 gram of sulfur which we have taken. Then, if we take 16 gram of sulfur, how many molecules are present? Cross multiplication, which is equal to 16 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 256. 16 ones are 16, 16s are 256. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 0.0, 2 1s are 1s. So 3.011 divided by 8. We divide directly, which is equal to 3 you can't divide, 0.30 you take, 30 in the sense 8 to 6 24, 3s are 24 in the sense 6 carry 60, 60, 8 sevens are 56, 8 3s are 24, 6 carry, 6 carry in the sense 61, 8 sevens are 56, 8 sevens are 56 remaining, 61 in the sense 61 minus 56, 5 remaining, 51, 51 in the sense 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48, 2 3 remaining, 30, again 8 3s are, this continues into 10 to the power 23. So I can take it as, which is equal to 0.376 only I take, because it is a continuation, or I can take it as, instead of 7 you can take it as 0.38 into 10 to the power 23. Suppose if you want to write 3 point something, if you want to shift this decimal place to this one, you can write it as 3.8 into this 10 to the power 23 will become 10 to the power 22. How this? This is like this, 0.38 into 10 to the power 23. When you multiply by 10 and when you divide it by 10, when you multiply 0.38 by 10, you will get 380, 2 places decimal. So you will get 3.80. This is 3.80 in the sense 3.8. This 10 to the power, that is plus 1, when you take to the numerator, it will be minus 1. So 23 minus 1 will become 10 to the power 22. That is 3.8 into 10 to the power 22. What is this? This many molecules. Molecules. You can stop here 0.38 into 10 to the power 23, or you can write 3.8 into 10 to the power 22. This many molecules. That is the, what is that? That is the number of molecules present in 16 gram of sulfur. 3.8 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. Last question of the exercise, that is calculate the number of aluminium ions present in 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide is Al2O3. First we will find molar mass of aluminium oxide. Molar mass of aluminium oxide, I write it as Al2O3. This is the formula, aluminium oxide, Al2O3. So, which is equal to 2 into Al, that is the atomic mass of aluminium, plus O3, that is 3 into atomic mass of oxygen, which is equal to 2 into atomic mass of aluminium 27 plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen 16, which is equal to 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, plus 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 4, which is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 2, 1 carry, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1 10, 102 gram. What is this? 102 gram is the molar mass, that is 102 gram of Al2O3 contains how many molecules? As we know, 1 mole, that is the something. What is the molar mass? We are getting 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So 102 gram of aluminium oxide contains how many aluminium atoms? Contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 aluminium atoms. But this is into 2 into. Why it is 2 into I have written? Because in the formula you observe here, this is Al2O3. I am not taking only aluminium oxide. So if I take 0.051 gram of Al2O3, how many aluminium atoms are present? This much gram of aluminium oxide, how many aluminium atoms are present? If I take this much gram of aluminium oxide in which this much aluminium ions are present. If you take 0.051 gram of aluminium oxide, how many aluminium ions are present? Cross multiplication, which is equal to 0.051 into 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 102. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 ones are 51. If you divide this, 51 ones are 51 0.001. 51. You can't write 1 with 0.05 you can't divide, so you have to put 0. 51 ones are, so 0.001. Now multiply 0.001 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. If you multiply, you will get 6022. 1 into 6022, 6022. Now decimal point is how to put after how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to put the decimal place. Decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.0. That is 0.00602 into 10 to the power 23. In this 10 to the power 23, if I add 30 here, if I add 30 here and get 0.006022, if I add 30, 1, 2, 3 zeros, I get 10 to the power 20. Now, don't put point here. Now you put the decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will get 6.02, which is equal to 6.022. These three zeros no value into 10 to the power 20. So don't be confused here. This is 0.006. We got the answer. So this looks somewhat, it is not pleasant to see. So this 10 to the power 23 already we have. In that 3 zeros I put here. I remove 3 zeros from here. I put here 3 zeros and this I take it as 10 to the power 20. Now you put the decimal place. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. After 6 places you have to put the decimal. You will get the answer 0061. So this 00 no value. You write it as 6.022. That is 000 also no value. 6.022. If you write also no problem. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What is this 10 to the power 23? These many which atoms? Aluminium atoms are present.